Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. I am sharing simple and beautiful idea in this video. I have an old purse. Its condition is bad and I don't want to throw it because I like this purse and give new life. First we repair the purse. Take a piece of cardboard, cut it in round shape, make hole in the center and cut it in one side. I am using shining canvas, so I create a design on paper, trace it on the shiny canvas, and cut nicely. With the help of sharp scissors. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Apply glue on purse and on cardboard. Stick. Take design and spread glue on it and stick it on the purse. Same do on as back side of the purse. Click icon button and subscribe my channel for the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.